and hashtag X 2022 ;94,090 total square feet and hashtag X 2022 ;495 and hashtag X 2019, on Park 82 Drive and hashtag X 2022, easy access to I-75 and hashtag X 2022, electric, city water sewer, natural gas and hashtag X 2022, improvements and AMP, zoning valued at $5 square feet and hashtag X 2022, ideally suited for light industrial flex space warehouse, light manufacturing, service companies, contractors, showroom with distribution, etc. The C commercial intensive uses are attached. And hashtag X 2022, many approved uses allowed and hashtag X 2022, good exposure on Martin Luther King Boulevard and hashtag XD and hashtag SAW and hashtag X 2022, traffic count Martin Luther King Boulevard 42,355 per day and hashtag X 2022, close to RSW Airport via I-75 and hashtag XD and hashtag SAW and hashtag X 2022, moderate to low risk flood zone and hashtag X 2022, population growth within a mile expected to be up over 15% in the next 5 years. And hashtag X 2022, strong industrial and AMP, commercial growth in the area and hashtag X 2022, strong lease rates for these types of buildings as well as low vacancy rates make for an ideal investment opportunity. And hashtag X 2022, seller would consider a land lease and hashtag X 2022, Martin Luther King Boulevard is considered the gateway to the City of Palms, Fort Myers and City of Fort Myers downtown and AMP, popular river district with shopping, dining and AMP, more. And hashtag XD and hashtag SAW, prime development opportunity with variety of approved uses. Seller would consider a land lease. Ideal to build 12